Hello, this is Mr. Connolly. Okay, what I want to do just very quickly is take you through how to do a hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Okay, so before I've started, what I've done is I've written my hexadecimal headings. Okay, so 1, 16, 256 and 4096. Okay, now I've also, to help me out, and I would recommend if you're doing hex for the same time to do this as well, is I have written the hexadecimal numbers, okay, and I've wrote them next to the decimal numbers. So, and remember, when we get to 10 in hexadecimal, we use letters. So 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. Okay, so what I'm going to do is have a go at doing this one first. Okay, we've got the hexadecimal number F9. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to times the number, okay, by its heading. Okay, so the first one is really easy. It's 1 times 9, which is 9. Okay, and then the next one is F, which is 15, so 15 times 16. So what I'm going to get is I'm going to get my calculator. Okay, if you're really good at your 16 times tables, you could do it in your head. So 16 times 15 is 240. Okay, so we know it's 240. Okay, so we need to add those numbers together. And if we do add them together, we get 249. Okay, so we know that F9 in hexadecimal is 249 in decimal. Okay, now we'll just do one more example. Okay, so get rid of F9. Sorry, I don't want you to cross out your work like this. This is just so I can do it on the same sheet. And we'll just cross this out so it doesn't cause us any confusions. And this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number. Okay, and let's go for D, E, 7. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same as we did before. We're going to times the number by its heading. So 7 times 1 is easy. It's just going to be 7. Okay, we'll get our calculator because we need to do E. So if we look at our little list, E is 14. So we're doing 14 times 16, which is 224. And then we've also got in our 256 column a D. So it's going to be D, which if we look is 13. So 13 times 256 is 3,328. Okay, now if we add those together, so we add 224 and then we add 7, we get the answer that DE7 is 3,559. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, if you just rewind the video back and remember in the examples, in the questions that I've set you, there only is one where you'll have to use 3. Okay, and it's a very easy one. It's not as hard as the sum I've just done. Okay, so see you next time. I hope that cleared up and made sense.